Today, you'll learn a high value skill that will make you indispensable to clients: creating professional brand kits. A brand kit is a foundational document that contains all the elements of a brand, like the logo, color palettes, and fonts. It ensures consistency across a client's website, social media, and marketing materials. Clients love this because it makes them look professional and cohesive. The best part? You can deliver this premium service without paying for expensive software. We'll use AI to do all the heavy lifting for us. Our process is simple and powerful. We'll follow a three-step workflow. First, we'll use AI to generate the core brand elements. Second, we'll select the best options. And finally, we'll compile everything into a professional brand kit. Let's imagine a new client has asked us to create a simple brand identity for their business. The first step is the logo. We'll use Canva's built-in AI logo maker, a powerful and free tool. I'll navigate to the logo section and type in the client's business name, followed by some keywords that describe their business. For example, modern, clean coaching business. In seconds, the AI generates dozens of unique logo concepts. Remember, a great logo is simple and recognizable, not overly complicated. Next, we need a professional color palette. This is a crucial element that sets the mood for a brand. I'll grab the hex code of the main color from our chosen logo and plug it into the tool. Now, with a press of the space bar, the AI generates a beautiful, harmonious color palette that complements our primary color. I'll select a palette that includes a dark color for text, a lighter background color, and an accent color for calls to action. I'll make sure to save these hex codes. The final element is typography. The right font combination can make or break a brand. For this, we'll use fontjoy.com. This free AI tool generates perfect font pairings for you. The principle is harmony with contrast. I'll select a strong, bold font for headlines and a simple, readable font for body text. The AI will provide a combination that works perfectly together, so there's no guesswork. I'll simply note down the names of these fonts. Now for the final, most valuable step: compiling everything into a single professional document. I'll open a new blank document in the free version of Canva. I'll add the logo we created. and then a text box with the full name of the font we chose for the headings and the body text. Below that, I'll add a rectangle for each color in our palette and label them with the exact hex codes. By organizing all these elements in a single place, you've provided immense value to your client. In just a few minutes, you've used free AI tools to create a professional brand kit from scratch. This is how you differentiate yourself as a virtual assistant, by offering high quality, high impact services without the high cost.